Okay, so we should be on page 23 at the bottom, and we are going to start with number 1 through 6 tonight. We are just reviewing exactly what we did last week, checking the two, and asking ourselves if it is a verb phrase or a prepositional phrase. Beth likes to go to the house by the road. So I see 2 twos that I can check off. To go. Go is something that you do, so that is a verb phrase. And to the. I know that the is an adjective and house is a noun, so that is a prepositional phrase. And now I'm going to check and see if there are any other prepositional phrases. By the road, where they are, is also a prepositional phrase. Great. Number 2, in the store, Nick found the rice. I don't see any twos to check, but I'm going to ask myself where or when, and it is in the store. And I don't see any other prepositional phrases. 3, Jane needs to go to the beach to swim. There are 3 twos. Check them all. And then we're going to look at each one. To go, again, go is a verb. That's a verb phrase. To the is an adjective. To the beach. So this is a prepositional phrase. To swim. Swim is a verb. It is something that you do. Okay, and then all we have left is Jane needs. Neither of those are prepositions. Number 4. Beside the pool, the boys rest in the sun. I don't see any twos. I'm going to ask where they are. They are beside the pool and in the sun. First word is a preposition. Last word is a noun. Anything in the middle is an adjective. Don't forget your arrow. Okay, so now you're going to do numbers 5 and 6, and I want you to write on the side that you had a marvelous Monday, and I want you to think in your head something about your day that was marvelous, because everybody has something in their day that's marvelous. All right, have a good night, and make sure you do numbers 5 and 6.